In this video, we are going to see how we can upload a video on our channel on YouTube. So this is a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, I assume that you have made all the channel settings and then you are uploading the video. If not, you can watch my other videos on how you can customize the channel or how you can create a channel on YouTube. Just search with Upskill-Education written next to it. And after that, you click on create and you click on upload a video. And from here, we select the files. Maybe if you're uploading it for the first time, you might see a welcome message that you can continue. And we click on select files. And from here, let's say this is the file. We select that and it will upload. It might take some time. After that, you just have to define the title, the description, the thumbnail. You upload the thumbnail, or either you can generate from random thumbnails that is identified by YouTube automatically. And if it is a part of a playlist, you can add to that playlist. If it is made or not made for kids, you can select that option. Click on show more and do any of the following. Describe your content, makes the real person appear, do something that they didn't see, alters the real footage and realistic looking scene. That is basically the altered content that is for AI. So if not, you can hit no and you can invite the collaborator and so on. And you can add different tags to it. You can define your video language and define the category, show how the comments will be shown. Click on next and we can add an end screen to it. Add any info cards if you have any, but these are not the compulsory options, especially in the starting. You click on next and make sure the copyright shows no issues found. Click on next and you can make it public or schedule at a specific time if you want to. And after that, you just publish it like this. Let me make it private right now, or let's say you want to make it unlisted. Click on save. But the option goes the same for whether you want to publish it or not. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.